Welcome to a new video. In this video we will discuss the comparison between the Arduino and LGT8F328P boards. LGT8F boards are compatible with the Arduino boards. So in this video we will discuss the comparison of their pin and some functions, and here the types of LGT boards. They are different types, and feature comparison and some parameters. So let's go for the comparison. Start from the first one. The first thing, if I want to say the price of LGT is less than the half price of the Arduino. This is the first thing. The second is the operating frequency of LGT boards is 32 megahertz, but the Arduino are 16 megahertz. So LGT operating frequency is double, so it's much faster than the Arduino. So let's see some pin details. On the LGT, this board is compatible with the Arduino Nano. On the left side, the green board. Here on the pins, you can't find something written like SCL, SDA, I2C communication, but A4 and A5 pins are used as SCL and SDA. These two pins can be used as I2C communication, and it also have the UART communication. It can support 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Here it have the USB to UART converter, and here is the V in pin. So this also can use the micro USB cable. Arduino Nano also can use the USB cable, and LGT board also can use micro USB cable. So let's go for the next two types of the LGT boards. This I already show you. Here is the dimension. You can see what's the dimension of this, 43.6 and 18.3. And LGT also have other two types that are compatible with the Arduino Pro Mini. So in this you can see one board has the 32 pin MCU and other board has the 20 pin MCU. In 20 pin MCU, here you can see pin 8 and 9. They assign 8 and 9 on single pin. So during program, if you want to use in the program, if you want to use pin 8 and pin 9, both you can't use. You can use only 8 or 9, and the same for 10 and 11. You only can use one of them because they both number are assigned to the same pin, so you only can use one of them. So it also have the UART, I2C, and they both can support, these two board can support 3.3 and 5 volt. Here is the dimension is given, but in this board not any single pin is assigned to the two numbers. So this board is okay, but this board cannot use the USB cable. So same as the Arduino Pro Mini, you need to use USB to UART converter to program these. So okay, go for the next feature comparison. Here is the LGT board, and as you know, the Arduino board use the Atmega 328P MCU. So if you see the ADC, LGT have the ADC, but Arduino don't have. Sorry, DAC. LGT have the DAC, Arduino don't have the DAC. ADC both have, but there is a small difference. LGT have the 12-bit and Atmega have the 10-bit ADC. So let me just show you the important things. Later I will upload this PPT in the description of the video, then you can download from there. Here you can see the speed, 32 megahertz for LGT and 16 megahertz for Arduino. And the output pin and input pin numbers, LGT pin number is higher than the Atmega MCU. You can see here 20 and 27. Here Atmega has 23, but the LGT have 30 input pins. So let's go for the next parameters. Here is the flash, SRAM, EPROM. I will upload, you can see here. Also have the 8 PWM pins. So which pin is the PWM, I'll show you in next slide. I will show you the pin number and pin name. So here another thing, also support the internal reference, VREF. LGT also can support 1.024, 48 and 0.9 volt for internal reference voltage. For internal reference, how these voltage used for which purpose you can see here. If I show you all details here. Okay, built-in internal calibration reference voltage. Internally, if you want to change the calibration, you can use these different voltage according to your function. So here if you see the PWM pins D3, D5, D6, D9, D10 and D11, these pins have the PWM function. PWM function normally is used to control the motor speed or like these functions. So only these pins have the PWM, other pins are only GPIO. So if you compare with the Arduino Nano or Pro Mini, Arduino Nano and Pro Mini exactly have the same pin number for the PWM function. So pins are almost exactly same with the Arduino, but LGT is much faster. Its frequency, number one, is frequency is double, but there are, if you see in more detail, some commands it can perform more quicker than the Arduino. So thanks for watching the video. That's all about the comparison. So one more thing here, it also have the stable operation without crystal LGT board. That is another benefit. If you want to use the crystal, you also can use the crystal. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks.